This is Emerald Data Networks.
Hello, I'm Daryl Rogers, President, Emerald Data Networks. Welcome to our site. At Emerald, our technology experts will help your business answer two important questions. What technology should you use, and how should you use it for your business model? Now let's talk about a customer-client example. First, we're going to look at Piece of Cake. They're a 6-location regional commercial bakery that needed a technology roadmap in order to plan out their additional locations and a voice-over IP phone solution in order to maximize the use of their human resources in each store.
When I call Emerald Data, I realize that they're not trying to just sell me something or to put me into a certain box. They're actually trying to listen and find a way to solve my problem.
When we started working with Daryl, we only had 2 stores, and he understood where we wanted to take the company. We now have 6 stores, and soon we'll have 8 stores, and it's because of the foundation he laid for us that we were able to grow the company at this so rapidly.
They keep up with the technology, so I don't have to.
At Emerald Data Networks, we're technology experts. One of the things that sets us apart is we're vendor agnostic. We understand that you have technology already. We're going to help you use your technology to make sure that you're getting the most out of it. Survey the technologies available in the field to make sure that matches for your business model, and make sure your technology is meeting your business objectives. Let's shift gears and talk about Buckhead Life Restaurant Group. We've been with them for 23 years, including opening every single restaurant that they've had since 1989. All of the technology that they put in all the restaurants is very important to make sure that the restaurant runs seamlessly, and we're responsible for all of it. Here we are at the Atlanta Fish Market. Over my left shoulder you can see their reservation system, and over my right shoulder you can see their voice-over IP phone solution. We were able to integrate the two so that a customer calling in who can't get the reservation they want at 7:30 on a Friday night at the Fish Market can very quickly get a reservation at the same time at Chops down the street.
Daryl and Emerald Data is an extension of our team here at Buckhead Life.
You can't see it, of course, but we have wireless access for the customers as well. Whether you're in the bar, in the food shop, or sitting in the restaurant, you have secure wireless access in order to take care of your daily business while you're here.
The biggest benefit of working with Daryl, honestly, is knowing that we can pick up the phone whenever there's a problem and call Daryl, and it's taken care of from that point on.
Here we have Buckhead's table management system. It allows them to keep track of the status of all the tables in the restaurant to make sure that they're seating people properly, cleaning up quickly, and turning them over as quickly as they can when they have high volume. We were able to integrate this system directly into their marketing material, also into their website, their phone, and their email systems so they can make most use of the information that's coming through this system every night.
We would not be able to get that service anywhere else.
Here we are at Pano's Food Market. So right here we have a digital POS system and scale. It helps make sure that they get everything measured perfectly to their customers' benefit. Up here we have a management camera system that lets them keep tabs on what's going on in this area so they can deliver the freshest fish. And a voice-over IP phone solution to make sure that they can process their orders and get all of their information about when the fish is going to be here and when they're going to be able to serve it up to their customers.
It's a trust factor. We just hand that right over to Daryl.
Now let's talk about Abatement Technologies. We've been working with them for 15 years. They're a multinational firm in the manufacturing industry. We've done technology roadmaps for them every year that we've been together, and we recently helped them move into a new space.
Being an international company, it's very important for us to stay in contact with our customers around the world and with our offices in Canada.
In here we have the Abatement Technologies networking room. Over to my left, you can see their phone system up on the wall. This system connects them to their Canada office. That's their international site, but we have customers all over the Far East and Europe, for example, so it doesn't really matter where you are. Just to my right, you can see their first rack of servers. In the top, you have some security systems, their firewall. Toward the middle, you can see some fiber optic wiring kind of faintly in the back. And then you have several server systems that they're utilizing for their business. In the second rack, you also have several servers, and you have a UPS in the bottom. And you also have the call automated reporting system that we've integrated for them. Over here in the third rack, you have their VMware solution. There are several servers that are involved in this. They're clustered together. And you also see a larger UPS unit to keep everything up and running in the event of a power surge or spike. Over here on the side, you can see 2 of their systems. One is actually their proprietary ADP payroll system, and the second one is a video system. It monitors all the different locations around the warehouse for security and management purposes.
I've always had a great relationship with the people at Emerald. They're very responsive, they're highly trained, and they really know what they're doing.
Because Abatement is a manufacturing company with a warehouse need, they needed to use fiber optic cable for their networking. Here you can see the beginning of the fiber optic cable as it is in the network room. Here in the test lab, the engineers use a lot of equipment that generates an electromagnetic field. These fields can interfere with the way computers and phones interact with each other. That's why they needed the fiber optic cable. The cable allows the computers and the phones to be able to continue to communicate even in an environment as hostile as this. Thank you for your time today. And don't forget, if you're having issues with what technology you should use or how you should use it to achieve your business objectives, please give us a call.